Olivia Sheppard. I was inspired to conduct research in the nanotechnology field of science after reading an article discussing drug-loaded nanogels attacking cancerous tumors in the body. I thought of a question: what light do I own that doesn't require an energy source to turn on? I didn't have one. In this project, I used biological materials for non-biological purposes. I furthered the research in an alternative energy source using bioluminescent Firefly proteins and fluorescent quantum rods. The Firefly proteins were synthesized in a lab in Connecticut, so no fireflies were harmed. The quantum rods were made with the use of nanotechnology. These semiconductive energy stores were excited with the combination of the Firefly proteins, the Bioluminescent, and Fluorescent. In my experiment, the chemical reaction on its own was enough to excite the quantum rod. Before, the quantum rod was required to be excited with the use of a laser. I wanted to observe if the addition of nickel 2+ cations would have an effect on the energy transfer between the Firefly protein and the quantum rod. I thought the nickel would affect the energy transfer because the positive charge of the nickel and the negative charge of the protein would attract and inhibit the binding from the protein to the quantum rod. I tested the intensities of the energy transfer between the proteins, quantum rods, and nickel using a fluorometer. The interaction the quantum rod had with the protein changed when the type of protein was changed and the amount of nickel was changed as well. The addition of nickel did affect the energy transfers. The results of each trial changed in different ways and affected the intensities of the light emitted. Currently, for diagnostic testing for in vivo near-infrared imaging, this type of method and research is being utilized. Nanoparticles are injected into the body and target a certain area of the body, and when a light sensor is passed over the body, these particles emit light and the area of interest can be observed. Once the way the protein interacts with the quantum rod is properly and thoroughly analyzed, the right type of protein and correct dimensions of the quantum rod can be found so that the lifetime of the light emitted can be altered to be longer and more useful for everyday life.